everyone, it's me Aishwarya. Hope you all are safe and sound. Just one question for you. Do you find it difficult to generate leads? Well, I understand the answer is a yes, but there is nothing to worry about. And my friend, you are not alone. Even I was facing the same issue, but not anymore. Let us get together and discover some out-of-box ideas on how you can leverage the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to make that happen for you. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. I can do it and you can also do it. That's the power of social media marketing. It has been the success story of only a few for too long. Let us make it yours now. Before we start with anything else, let me give you a brief idea about the many things through which we can knowingly and unknowingly harness the power and potential of content. And that's exactly what will guide our way to help you prosper your business. The word is content. After all, everything on and around every single social media platform revolves around content. Content is the core of everything and the absolute strategy to create and nurture demand and awareness about your brand, your products, your services, and the most important aspect that will help you win more clients, close more deals, and emerge as an authority in your niche. But there is one thing that is both content and marketing. Do you know what it is? It is called trust. As we all know that marketing is wholly based on trust, and let me tell you, content is the best way to create that trust. The building that certitude amongst your client might be the toughest part according to you. But let me share you a secret. If you provide authentic and valuable information with your customers, then that will help generate your viewers into clients. But how can you reach them? That is probably the toughest part of your every business. Even I used to face this issue earlier, but now I have found a strategy towards it. Always remember that customer won't directly come to you to solve their problem. You have to reach them out. Now, how will you do that? It's quite simple. Demonstrate your products and services and give information about how you have the solution to everything that the client wants. You need to understand the needs of the client and try to grab their attention. Also, here's a tip for you. Not every client that you find is the same. Some clients are hard to convince, whereas some are easily persuaded. So try to create contents that will attract each and every client because it is the most valuable asset of your business. We all have heard of ebooks or videos or newsletters which were earlier used to attract clients. Let me tell you, these have become outdated. Let me share you one of the best tricks that businesses are now using to attract clients. It is content upgrade. Do you know what it is? Well, we all have gone through some websites where we find some interesting articles. But as soon as we open it, the site asks us to share our email address, isn't it? That is actually a content upgrade. So the whole point about content upgrade is that you will only share your valuable information with the customer if they give you their email address. This way, you're getting a customer to whom you can share your products and services through generated emails. Now, the best part about this is that if people find you authentic and trustworthy, they can be converted into a good lead. And that will be part of your business forever. But you still have a question in your mind. What do you need to write about to make your business grow? You might say that you don't have a clue about the subject. Let me tell you one thing. The clue to your answer is everywhere. Let me show you a place where you can find the perfect answer. There is a tool called Google Keyword Planner. Now you might ask how that will help you because it is an advertising tool, but you can use it in another way. In my business, I have been using it as a research tool. Through this tool, I get to know which are the keywords people are bidding for, and I used to focus on those keywords while writing the content. This way, you will understand what your target audience needs are. Isn't that great? Now let me ask you a question. How many of you love reading a lengthy blog post? None, I will say. I don't love reading lengthy content. I would rather watch a video instead. So what I wanted to say is that another way you can generate some amazing leads is through video content. Create some amazing videos that will be helpful as well as captivating for the people. They need to sit and listen to what you say. Also, it helps you build trust because people are listening to you. They are knowing you and your personality. Give people videos to understand your culture and your business. Let them connect with you. Thus, video content, I would say, is the best way to get closer to your customer than any other content marketing technique. I gave you the techniques that can help you generate great leads, but hey, that won't be enough to generate money from your leads. See, we all go to different sites, enter our email and read the information, but then we forget about the site, don't we? We don't even look at the emails that they send. But then how does it work? How can you generate money? Let me help you with that. You need to nurture your leads. People gave you their emails because they found your content interesting. Now it is your duty to send them valuable information so that they have the urgency to pay for your products and services. The more value you add, the more nurturing you do, the better leads you get. Thus, I would like to end this video by reminding you that content is the most significant tool that will help your business grow. The more effectively you use this content, the better it will become. But let's not end our relationship here. If you have any doubts regarding lead generation and content marketing, feel free to reach out. Our team of experts will always be there to help you out at Propel Guru.